Is your Samsung appliance acting up? Call us support 93462459974. Don't worry, we've got the fix. From refrigerators to washing machines, ACs to ovens, our expert technicians at Samsung service centers. Call us support 93462459974 in Vizag are ready to help. Why choose us? Because we're authorized, certified, and we use genuine Samsung parts. That means your appliances get the care they deserve, extending their lifespan, and call us support 93462459974, saving you money long term. Plus, with multiple convenient locations across the city, help is always just around the corner. So, if your Samsung appliance needs a little TLC, call us at 93462459974 and book your service appointment today. Samsung service in Vizag, reliable service, right at your doorstep.